Potato leaves and sprouts are poisonous, but sweet potato leaves are not. Sweet potato leaves can be safely eaten. Potatoes are a member of the eggplant family, and sweet potatoes are a member of the Hergataceae family, so although they appear to be members of the same potato family, they are actually quite different. They are said to contain vitamins and minerals. It is said to contain about twice as much dietary fiber as cabbage and 3 times as much protein as lettuce. It also contains polyphenols, which are expected to have anti-cancer effects and remove active oxygen related to beauty and anti-aging. Not only sweet potatoes, but also vines and leaves can be eaten, making it a convenient alternative to vegetables during food crises. It can be eaten as deliciously as molokaya. I grew 2 standing seedlings in a planter and they grew up so much. You can eat the leaves, vines and potatoes.